Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the walk-in drives and few of the testing job opportunities for experienced candidates. So let me share those details. So first job opportunity is from Cybercom Creation Company. They are hiring QA. Experience required is 1 to 4 years. The contact number and the email address has been provided. Apart from this, uh, one of the job opportunity is for interns. So they are hiring for web developer, data science, data engineer, mobile app developer, AI ML engineer, cloud engineer. The contact details are provided, and you can also scan this CV or go to this link to fill up this form. Then there's a walk-in drive for QA engineer. It's on 23rd of November. They are looking for someone who is having 3+ years of experience in automation as well as in manual testing. So you can send the resume at this email address. The date is 23rd of November 2024, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. would be the timings. And this is the address that is given. It is for Indore location, Madhya Pradesh. Then there's a requirement for UI UX designer, front-end developer, QA tester, automation as well as manual. Experience is 2 to 3 years. Business development executive, experience is 3 to 5 years. So you can send your resume at this email address, and you can also WhatsApp on this. The website is also provided. So these are few of the job opportunities. Apart from this, as you can see, so one more walk-in drive, which would be on 23rd of November, Saturday, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So they are hiring for PHP developers, manual QA engineers, and the location is Merito office. Okay, so they are hiring for tech jobs, PHP developers, QA engineer jobs, manual testing. So they are looking forward for testers with experience in database testing. And when I say Merito office, so it is in Gurgaon, right? So over there, you can go and attend this walk-in drive. Then one of the company is hiring junior QA software testers, but they are looking for remote work from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m., 2 days off. So if you are interested, then you can send your CV to this email address. Then there's a requirement for QA lead, Noida-based location, 4 to 6 years of experience. So this is the email address wherein you can apply. And basically, they are looking for strong experience with manual and automated testing, hands-on experience with tools like Selenium, Jira, TestNG, knowledge of agile methodologies. So such kind of skill set they are looking for, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.